Hello, my name is Kevin. I'm a lawyer with 15 years of experience, and now I will tell you what to do if you fail a Walmart background check. One of the largest retailers globally, Walmart, applies the process of background check to assess potential employees and eventually ensure their safety and trust while working. These assessments check for any legal or financial issues regarding the candidate so that they do not join the team of the company. Our video gives a comprehensive view of the process of background checks in Walmart, including how long does Walmart background check take, what is done by Walmart during the process, and what should be done should any problem arise or there be a delay in the process of background checks. We strive to help you find the required information, whether you are a beginner in the employment screening process and want to fully comprehend the requirements of Walmart, or an experienced person who has been working in Walmart for some time. How to check Walmart background check status. The applicant will take a deep breath of anticipation on waiting for the results of a background check from Walmart. Understanding the process and knowing how to check Walmart background check status can be very calming. Here is a simple plan of actions. Log into the personal account on the Walmart website. Since the completion of your job application and the interview, access to a personal account is granted by Walmart, which gives you the ability to view the status of your acceptance on employment, including a background check. Contact the personnel department of Walmart. If such information on the status of your background check does not come into your personal cabinet, or you find no mention of this in the account, it is advisable to contact the person in charge of the personnel department at the Walmart store or the office in your area. Contact the third party that conducts the check. Walmart works with third-party companies for background checks. If you have any specific questions regarding the process or information from the check, contact this company directly. This is usually provided to you, along with the notice of the beginning of the check. Be patient and wait. Sometimes, more information or documents are required in order to provide additional data for the next step in a check. Be ready and promptly provide it. Check for errors, if any, in the report. In case you find errors in the report on your background check, try to begin the process of their correction at the earliest possible time. This may help keep you updated on the progress of your background check and, more importantly, take necessary steps in case you face delay or wrongdoing. Remember, in fact, proper understanding of the process and active participation in the same can increase the chances of securing employment at big companies like Walmart. Primary reasons for Walmart background check disqualifications and how to avoid them. When applying for a retail job background check at Walmart, like in any other big company, the candidates are checked through an intense background check. This includes an assessment of several aspects, which could in fact become reasons for disqualification. Let's go through the main reasons that can be reached and the methods of avoiding them. Criminal records. Possible causes for disqualification. A past criminal record, especially if it includes any type of violence, theft, or fraud, could be a preventing factor that could hinder you from getting a job. How to avoid. Be sincere when filling in your job application. Walmart takes each case individually, taking into account not only the nature of the offense, but also how long has it passed since the infraction and how you behave then and after. Driving. What the candidates disregard about this or that employment is that serious violations of driving laws can be a reason for refusal. How to avoid. Follow the traffic rules and train to rectify a driver's license before sending in a job application for such a position. Wrong or false information. Possible reasons for disqualification. Untrue or fake information about your previous work experience, training, or qualifications. How to avoid. Always be a true person when giving any piece of information relevant to the job you are applying for. Your background check will reveal any inconsistencies, which is going to reflect badly on your candidacy. Drug or alcohol. Positive results of testing for drugs and alcohol can prove to be a bad reason for denial of employment. How to avoid. Stay away from taking drugs and any form of alcohol, especially when you are going to take the test required during the hiring process. Negative recommendations. Possible reasons for disqualification. Disapproval from past work supervisors may affect Walmart's hiring decision. How to avoid. Make sure that you treat all former employers fairly and get them to give good recommendations when filling up your form for the job. Inadequate work experience or skills. Possible reasons for disqualification. Does not have enough work experience or skills required for the job. How to avoid. Gain experience by the contribution you can make towards your profession, and study aids in the enhancement of your knowledge. Help with resources available and improve your skills and qualifications. Credit problems. Possible reasons for disqualification. Some of the jobs in Walmart, especially when it comes to positions involving finances, call for doing a credit history check. Poor credit history might provoke doubts of financial incompetence. How to avoid. Clear your credit history and make sure you pay off your debts on time and reduce your credit debts. If there are some outstanding debts, better pay them off before the appointment for interviewing. Getting to know these causes and ways of avoiding them, you will be well prepared to get yourself one of the amazing jobs at Walmart with good working skills and a positive attitude towards it. Keep in mind that flexibility and honesty during the application process may prove advantageous even when in cases of unfavorable circumstances. Walmart values this sort of determination and seriousness towards having a meaningful and contributing employee. Legal aspects of working with Walmart. If after rejection and suspected unfairness, one may consult experts, like those provided here at LegalZoom, who practice law specializing in employment law. After all, the main aim is to get the post in which the individual can be an invaluable and respected member of the team. Working with Walmart. You should know the legal aspects of working with Walmart. It is important to understand how Walmart conducts a background check and what steps you should take if you think your rights have been violated in the process. How Walmart conducts background checks. Using third parties. Much of the time, Walmart turns to outside agencies to conduct background checks. That means your information will be handled by a firm whose specialty is in this field. FCRA compliance. Background checks conducted by Walmart and its associates are normally done in line with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, which mandates that job applicants be given the right to be informed of any negative information that could influence hiring decisions. How to protect your rights. To verify information. Ensure that everything on your report is valid and correct. You will be able to seek a copy of any report that was used in making your hiring decision. Challenging erroneous information. If there is information that is erroneous, you can dispute it with the organization that gave you the report. The FCRA dictates that the credit reporting agency have to make the decision within 30 days. Legal advice. If you feel your rights have been abused during the verification procedure, then you shouldn't hesitate to look for legal advice. Attorneys specializing in both employment law and FCRA law can assess your situation and suggest the most appropriate course of action. Letter of complaint against Walmart. In case Walmart or the firm, which conducted a background check, violated your rights under the FCRA or other laws, you have the right to submit a letter of complaint, which can be referred to as a defense against potential wrongdoing in the employment process. This could mean restitution, compensation for any wrongful denial of employment or other wrongs committed as part of the process of using FCRA. Correcting mistakes, forcing Walmart or the agency to correct false information in your report. Please remember that you are not alone, and there are legal mechanisms and resources available for you when such a situation may arise. How to sue Walmart. Suing Walmart against such a huge corporation may look difficult, but if your rights have been infringed, it is important for you to fight for your rights. Below, we will guide you on how to file an action against the corporation. Understanding the different kinds of lawsuits. Discrimination or harassment. If you become a victim of discrimination or sue Walmart for harassment. Unlawful termination. In case you consider that you were discharged without valid grounds, and how can you sue Walmart for wrongful termination? Step-by-step process. Collect materials. It is very important that before filing the lawsuit, you collect all the necessary evidence that supports your case. This may include emails, testimony from colleagues, video records, and other documentation that will help support your facts and situations. Meeting with a lawyer to sue Walmart. Contact a lawyer specializing in labor law and non-discrimination or harassment cases to help you prepare and file a lawsuit. Your lawyer will guide you throughout the process by ensuring the right form of filing an action is prepared in the court. Filing the lawsuit. Depending on your case, your lawyer will help you draft and submit the appropriate lawsuit to the court. This may include a civil complaint for damages or a request for reinstatement. Pretrial hearing. At this stage, the court will examine the basis of the lawsuit and will rule whether there is enough evidence to continue. Your lawyer to sue Walmart will represent your case and answer questions. Trial. Either party can bring arguments, proofs, and witnesses to this final stage of the process. This process can take long. Finding a solution to the case. The court may make a judgment on the lawsuit, giving, for example, compensations for damages, returning the worker to work, or some other measures, depending on the circumstances of your case. Suing Walmart does require careful preparation and careful consideration of the whole legal context of your case. Don't be afraid to ask for competent legal help, which will assist you in the course of this difficult process. Life stories. Overcoming problems with background checks at Walmart. In this section, we look at real-life examples of people who have faced difficulties due to background checks while trying to get a job at Walmart. These stories emphasize the importance of being thoroughly prepared for the background check process and being able to seek legal advice. Story 1. Problem with Walmart background check disqualifications. John was full of hope when receiving a job offer from Walmart, but his joy quickly faded when he faced disqualification after a background check. An error in his credit history that had been misreported was unexpectedly the reason for the rejection. Story 2. Delay in how long does Walmart background check take? Emily, while waiting for the results of a background check from Walmart, was faced with the question, why is my Walmart background check taking so long? After weeks of waiting, she found out that the delay was due to the background check system being overloaded due to the large number of applicants. Story 3. Misunderstanding the process of how to check Walmart background check status. Michael regularly updated his email and personal account on Walmart's website in hopes of finding out the status of his background check. He didn't realize he could contact human resources directly for accurate information, resulting in unnecessary stress and anxiety. Story 4. Denial due to failed Walmart background check. Sarah was rejected after a background check because of an old court case she had forgotten about. Her case emphasizes the importance of pre-checking yourself and being able to correct errors in your history before the background check process begins. Story 5. Difficulties with Walmart background check not working. Alex encountered a technical problem while trying to fill out background check information on the Walmart website. A system error prevented him from completing the process, which required additional effort to resolve the issue through customer service. These stories highlight the variety of problems candidates may encounter during the background check process when applying for a job at Walmart. It is important to prepare in advance and be informed about all aspects of the process. Benefits in cooperation with our law firm. In representing you in your lawsuit against Walmart, you will enjoy professional assistance and legal representation at every stage of your grievance. Besides, for the services provided, the burden of payment will not fall on your side, but on the party through which your case is being filed. Thanks to our long-standing experience working with the FCRA and a range of successful cases, our clients not only recover their rights but also receive damages, which are confirmed by the actual payments and hundreds of satisfied clients. If you faced any issues during the process of having a background check to get yourself hired by Walmart, then some examples may include failed Walmart background check or Walmart background check disqualifications, then there is something that you need to know. In such cases, a lawsuit lawyer of Walmart may become your next step, and we, as the experienced professionals, are ready to help you now. Contact us for all your needs. Our contact information is in the description. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and succeed.